Hello and welcome back to the second section on impact of large projects on Scrum fundamental processes. Develop epics is the next process. Any product owner interaction with the customer and other business stakeholders is handled by the chief product owner and the multiple product owners rather than a single product owner. How that interaction is divided is defined in the product owner's collaboration plan. Any interaction with and participation of Scrum Masters and/or Scrum team members occurs as defined in the Scrum Masters collaboration plan. Otherwise, the creation of epics is done the same way as in a typical small Scrum project. Additional input, product owner's collaboration plan, it defines how the multiple product owners work together and with the chief product owner. It addresses how they work with the business stakeholders for collecting requirements, make updates to the prioritized product backlog, and work with the multiple Scrum teams. There will be only one product owner directly interfacing with each Scrum team. However, decisions must be made regarding how Scrum teams will be allocated among the product owners and how many Scrum teams each product owner will work with. Additional input, Scrum Masters collaboration plan. Additional optional tool, Scrum Project Tool. Since large projects would have several people, significant complexity, and interaction between Scrum teams, it is recommended to use a Scrum Project Tool to automate processes. The next process we shall learn is creating prioritized product backlog. Typically, the various product owners contribute to the creation of the prioritized product backlog as agreed to in the product owner's collaboration plan. Final prioritization decisions and resolutions of conflicts between product owners are handled by the chief product owner. Otherwise, the process is done the same way as in a typical small Scrum project. Additional input, product owner's collaboration plan. Since the product owner's collaboration plan defines how the product owners make updates to the prioritized product backlog, it is an important input to this process. Additional tool, prioritize product backlog assignments. Since the chief product owner and several product owners are involved with a large project, prioritize product backlog assignments ensure effective allocations of epics and user stories to all the product owners. Additional optional tool, Scrum Project Tool. It is recommended to use a Scrum Project Tool to automate processes. Conduct release planning is the last process. For a large project, the release schedule is created by the chief product owner rather than any particular product owner. Since releases can be more complicated with large projects, a release readiness plan is created in the process, if needed, which is later used to confirm that the requirements for each release have been met. Otherwise, the process is handled the same way as in a typical Scrum project. Additional input, Chief Scrum Master. In large projects, this Chief Scrum Master helps facilitate release planning for the project. Additional optional tool, Release Readiness Sprint. A release readiness sprint may need to be planned for the whole project release. Requirements of such sprint are then added to the prioritized product backlog. Additional output, Release Readiness Plan. The Release Readiness Plan includes specific activities that need to be done shortly before release planning. That's all in this module. Thank you for joining with us.